Hi again. I'm really knocking them out here. In this video, I am going to take us from Ashford, birthplace of all my children, apart from one who was born in Guildford. Let's not talk about life stories. We're going to go from Ashford to Wye. From memory, as a cab driver, it was 5 miles and potentially 10, 15 minutes, but we'll see just how long it takes with all the new road layouts. Currently on a one-way road. There's the ring road on the other side of this island. So we're going to jump on the ring road, slide down Canterbury Road all the way to Wye. Should be good. Should have lots of hazards. Car undecided about whether he should pull out or not. Oh, I want to go right, don't I? See? Undecided whether he should turn right or not. I'm so unfamiliar with these Ashford roads, I can tell you. Thankfully, there was nothing around me. So you make a split decision, don't you? That was a hazard, mate. I'm going to drive like that. Right, traffic lights, vehicles all stationary. I want to go left at the lights. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Indicate left. Vector is, insignia, isn't it? Indicating left. I do love a road with walls. I don't know what it is, it just conjures up memories of my youth. Walking along, you know, touching the walls and kicking a ball about, riding your bike. Love it, I just love it. Going right at this junction, I will indicate. Oh, too close to stop. Lots going on here. Filtering lanes, cars coming out of junction. Will the little white car do it? Yes, he will. Let's let them out. Car waiting to turn. Didn't sneak through, but I was obviously aware that it was there. I'm not doing a lot of talking because I'm keeping my eyes peeled for all the cars, for anything that might happen. Citroen's turning left. The Audi is indicating to come out, but is waiting. Lights ahead are changing red. Cars turning. Vehicles are stopping. And we're off. I remember when I was, 1983, I moved to Ashford and took a milkman job in '86. This was my run all along Canterbury Road, and those lights weren't there. That's how developed and kind of grown Ashford is, that they've got traffic lights absolutely everywhere. I want the middle lane, right lane for right turn, left lane for left turn. Once we get past these lights, no more lights. As far as I can remember, one roundabout and that's it. And I'll tell you what, I don't think I would have the patience to be a taxi driver anymore with all the lights and everything. You know, I'm not a bad driver, but spending your time more stationary than moving can't be a good thing. Okay, out of the town into suburbia. This is the A28 to Canterbury. going to slip off as we head to Y. Roundabout up ahead, I want to take the left-hand junction, so I will indicate as I approach the roundabout and indicate off. Just keep the indicators on. So the Merc and the Vauxhall, neither are indicating because they just assume it's a straight on. Oh, the Mercedes is going all the way round and didn't indicate. At least the Vauxhall indicated off. Mind you, people are privileged. What is it? Hashtag entitled. That's what it is. A notorious junction ahead. The Vauxhall is indicating. It's kind of a blind junction when you're trying to get out of there. Into a 40 zone. Woohoo! Looks like an AMPR camera up there. Could it be that we are being monitored? Big Brother is watching us. Blind bend. Could have some stationary vehicles in the road. I'm keeping my eyes peeled. National speed limit applies, staggered junction and bends in the road. It's all happening. The Old Mill. Rather nice food in there if you're ever passing. And that's it. Out into the sticks. Let's get up to 60, shall we? Keeping our eyes peeled for junctions. I can see that there's a drive mirror thing. So obviously there's a blind junction there, but people need to see the traffic. So I could anticipate a car coming out of there, right? Oh, it feels nice to put the foot down. Here we go. At least the rain stopped. It's still cloudy and overcast, but not raining. Right, dropping down to 40 now. Road is worse for the wear. I want to turn right at this junction, going into Y. 120 yards to the crossroads. I can see that there's a kind of filter in lane, so I shall get myself in here. That car does not have right of way over me, so after this Skoda, off we go. Right, this is the road down to Y. 40-mile-an-hour zone, country lanes basically, although, you know, an A road, or is it a B road? It'll be on the screen. I don't think I've done a video to Y yet, so this is fun. I'm actually doing 40. I've got one car behind me. Blind bend. Another blind bend. 40 sign, school sign, but it's Saturday, so we're not going to get any although I was saying that in my other video, there was a football match going on, wasn't there? Come on, centre. Thank you. Because it's on a gimbal. Oh, come on. Because it's on a gimbal, it thinks that kind of the motion of the car, it wants to stay in its place. Right, there was a sign there saying queues likely. What kind of queues? We've got a train crossing coming up. Really blind bend here. And if there is a crossing, I could hit cars straight away. Right, entering a 30 zone. We'll go up into Y and we'll stop in the little town centre. There's a car parked right near the junction, so I'll indicate that I'm passing it, but then I'll keep the indicators on to suggest that I'm going right. This used to be a man a man, what do you call it? A man-handled crossing. They've changed it to electronic now, so they've done a man out of his job. Right, we can't go straight up because it's a no entry, so there's got a kind of a little one-way system going on here. So I don't need to indicate because the road swings round. And what we'll do, we'll go up into the Y, past the church, turn right, and stop in the little village square. Because Y is a village, not a town. And as long as your hamlet has a church, or a village hall, or both, then it's a village. A little bit of random information for you there. Church is flying the St. George flag. Here comes the old little village square. Straight out of Heartbeat or something like that, isn't it? Where can I stop to conclude the video? Let's pull up just on the right here. I'm not parking, I'm just stopping like I'm dropping someone off. I'm dropping you off. Ashford to Y. Quite hectic there. My vision and my mind was all over the place because I was so concentrating. I've got one more to film today, so you'll see that one in three days' time. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bearing with, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.